Cream cheese apple chunks sound real weird, but the fluffiness and the chunks of apples just work so well together. I don't know how you feel about apples, but this just works. So here we go! First off, as the name suggests, you need some cream cheese. Pour your veggie oil to that and mix that a bit. Add your sugar and mix that again. Nice, it is becoming a mass slowly. Now you can add your vanilla sugar. In a separate bowl, mix your flour with the baking powder and give it a stir. And what would the chunks be without some cubes of apples? Add some cinnamon over them, but you can skip that if you don't want to, of course. And you don't need to have apple cubes. You can grate them as well, or make the cubes real big, or really small. Up to you really. Now add the flour to the cream cheese mixture and net it until it's all incorporated. Once that's done, the apples get into the dough as well. Once that's incorporated, just grab a good chunk of the dough and put it onto a baking pan of your choice. You can make them as big or as small as you want, just make sure to bake them through. I baked mine at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once they've cooled off, you can dig into these yummies. I hope you enjoyed this week's recipe and show your appreciation by liking and commenting under this video. Thank you for watching till the end and subscribe if you don't want to miss our weekly videos. Have a delicious weekend and see you next Friday.